Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone and Android TV are on the same Wi-Fi and that Bluetooth is enabled on the phone. Once done, power the TV and set it to the correct HDMI or input. Keep the TV remote near you. Open Google Home or the Android TV Companion app on your phone and allow necessary permissions. Tap to add a device, then follow the on-screen pairing prompts. This begins the direct connection, so your phone can control and cast to the TV. You now handle pairing and permissions. When the TV shows a code, verify it matches the code in your phone app and approve on both devices. Make sure you sign into the same Google account on phone and TV so apps, purchases, and preferences sync. Grant microphone, location, and nearby device permissions when prompted, because casting, voice search, and remote features depend on them. Once approved, the app will finalize setup and may download a small update. Wait for completion before moving on to media testing. You finish by testing playback. Open a supported app like YouTube on your phone, tap Cast, and choose your Android TV. Confirm video and audio play correctly. Install or update essential TV apps and enable the phone as a remote in the companion app so you can navigate without the physical remote. Make sure the TV's display resolution and audio output match your expectations. If something goes wrong, restart your router and both devices, then reattempt pairing. Most connection issues clear after a reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.